In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null values in Tableau with either 0 or NA. This is a handy trick that can make your data visualizations clearer and more informative, helping your audience understand your information at a glance. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download and set it up on your computer. The app is user-friendly, and once open, it presents you with a nice, clean workspace to begin your data journey. Next, you'll need to access your worksheet. Your worksheet is where all the magic happens. This is where you visualize your data, play around with various formats, and modify your data's appearance to best present your insights. Once you're on your worksheet, start by creating a basic visualization. This foundational step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything else you'll do. With your data at hand, you'll want to focus on creating a clear and informative chart. To begin crafting your visualization, drag the Order Date field to the column shelf. After doing this, adjust the date setting to display by month. This change will provide a granular view of your data over time, which is often more insightful than broader annual or quarterly views. After configuring your order dates, turn your attention to the rows. You'll want to drag category and subcategory to the rows shelf. This setup allows you to break down your data within these specific groups, providing a deeper layer of analysis to your visualization. With your basic structure in place, drag the sales field to the text shelf. Doing this will display the sales data directly onto your visual, turning it into an informative tableau rather than a simple graph. Now, to handle those pesky null values, click on the Analysis menu at the top and then navigate to the Table Layout. Here, don't forget to select the option to show empty columns. This ensures that even if a certain month or category has no data, it still appears in your visualization as a placeholder, ready for the next step. Now focus back on the sales field, right-click on it, and select Format. In the formatting options, locate the setting for special values. This setting is your key to replacing those bland nulls with something more meaningful. In the text field provided, you have the option to input either 0 or not applicable. Choosing 0 might be useful when numerical consistency is crucial for further calculations, while NAA can indicate that the data point simply doesn't exist. And there you have it. With these simple, effective steps, your Tableau visualization will be cleaner and more informative, providing you and your audience with a useful tool for data interpretation. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.